Could you tell us what are the biggest challenges for media workers and artificial intelligence?
Yeah, I think we have to distinguish between two perspectives. The one is the training of AI systems. I think we have to arrive the awareness that providers of AI systems use the copyright protected work of other authors, of painters, composers, whatever. And the question now is if the authors should be financially involved in the process of the training of AI systems. So there's a discussion about that. The other perspective is regarding to the use of AI output. So the question is, if a journalist, for example, works with AI, creates articles with AI, there might be the risk of liability because there might be copyright protected work within the AI output. So yeah, there are I think the main two topics of AI and copyright at the moment.
What is the story about the regulation discussions on this topic?
So there's a huge discussion at the moment, especially within the EU and also in Germany, which the copyright law is largely based on European copyright law. And we have had the provision in European copyright for 3 years now, but it's still the question if this provision, it's a provision for text and data mining, and the question is if this provision applies to the training of AI systems. And that's an ongoing process. We will have certainty when we have a judgment of the ECJ, but at the moment we just can move on the discussion, put all the arguments together and find a solution.